हेलो एंड वेलकम गाइस, रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM पर पहुंच गए हैं आप ठीक समय पर, जहां हम शुरू कर रहे हैं द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो। दिस इज अ शो जो बात होती है अबाउट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ, समझना कि आपके स्टार्स, आपके प्लैनेट्स कहाँ प्लेस्ड हैं एंड हाउ दे आर इम्पैक्टिंग योर लाइफ एंड हाउ कैन यू मेक इट बेटर। उसके लिए आई हैव एन एक्सपर्ट विद मी, डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया। कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप बाय लॉगिंग ऑन टू हिज वेबसाइट। उनके बारे में ज़्यादा जान सकते हैं, saketbhatia.com उनकी वेबसाइट है, और यू कैन डायरेक्टली गिव हिम अ कॉल 408-639-5300 पे। डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया इज इंटरनेशनली renowned astrologer and has a PhD in astrology, also a certified numerologist, and has 25 years of experience in the field of astrology. More than 12,000 satisfied clients globally. You can also be one of them. So write to him, info@saketbhatia.com, or call him directly 408-639-5300. This is a call-in show. We'll be opening studio lines shortly. Hello and welcome. How are you doing today?
Hi Vedika, I'm doing fine. How are you?
Wonderful.
And warm welcome to all the listeners of Radio Zindagi. Like I say, it's fun. Every Tuesday you get a chance to come, to talk, to teach, educate, and to give some, real life analysis to people. कि life में क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, कब होगा, क्यों होगा, और choices आपने क्या बनानी है. देखिए, the important thing is choices. You have free will. Choice आपने बनानी है. Decision आपने लेना है. The result is in your hands, so you have to choose wisely, right? You have to understand ki not everybody can become everything, not everybody can get everything, but lekin aapke haath mein jo likha hai, the things that you should get, the things you deserve, and the things you can get, at least work hard for that, get that at least.
Nobody can take away that from you.
Only you can take it away from you.
Yes, absolutely.
Only you are responsible for your success, only you are responsible for your failures. It's easy to blame others, and sometimes it's rightful too to blame others, ना कि अड़चन आई है लाइफ में, this person was responsible, this event is responsible, but at the same time, what steps are you taking besides complaining? What is it you're trying to do beyond telling people कि ये हो सकता था, चलो फिर से करते, let's try doing it again.
Exactly.
Right? I mean, जब आपको jump मारना है, you don't keep running and jumping. You run, you stop, you analyze how far you have to jump, how deep the hole is. You take 2 steps back, you run again, and then you jump. तो उसका lesson ये है कि if you want to go further in life, sometimes it's good to pause. Sometimes it's good to go back. Take a few steps back, then run forward and take a jump. And it's okay to fail. It's okay to, fall. It's okay to get hurt.
The strategy should be according to the hurdle you're facing.
Strategy तो बनानी पड़ेगी.
जी.
You have to do that. And, strategy and tactics are two different things. A strategy is what your goal is targeted towards. A tactic is how you're going to implement that strategy in place. Tactics are little pieces of puzzle that go to make that strategy.
Right.
Right. So this is very important. और इस शो पे we're trying to tell you that life throws curveballs at you. Right? Believe me, no astrologer can see every curveball because there are so many things going on. It's your money, your personal life, your health, so many different factors. But the one that's important to you is the one you bring up to us and the one we help you with. So it's possible, people that come to us and say, should I start a business? And the first thing I do is, yes, but maybe you should first settle down, have a family, because uska time aa raha hai.
The right question.
Yeah, ask the right question.
Exactly.
Or sometimes you may ask the right question, but the timing is a little off. And then what we do is we try to tell you, take care of your health. Because if you take care of your health, mentally you're better, physically you're better, you're more capable, you can go further in life. So a couple of things have to fall into place for you to be successful. And this is all a planet game. It's like a game of chess. Jab game mein, when the planets are well placed, good things happen. When the planets are off, not so good things happen. So how do you align that energy so you can be more successful in life? That's what we're trying to teach you.
Wow, that's an interesting way to put it. So this episode we are starting about the big bulky planet Jupiter.
Big bulky planet Jupiter, the heaviest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is also called Guru. It's called Brihaspati. you know that asteroids are constantly coming towards Earth, right?
Right.
And this is astronomy and science. And Jupiter is, इसकी gravity इतनी है कि it actually pulls those comets, those asteroids away from Earth. I mean, obviously, Sun also does that, but Jupiter does that also, and there's a whole asteroid belt
Right.
that is somewhere in between, thanks to Jupiter, which protects us. So Jupiter क्या है? He is a planet of what? Abundance. जहाँ जुपिटर देखता है, जहाँ बैठता है, abundance create करता है. Abundance of good things, abundance of not so good things. Now you can question and say, what do you mean not so good things? I can explain. So in general, Jupiter, we've gone through this show and we've explained कि Jupiter क्या है, कारक किस चीज का है, remember? Jupiter is a karak for children, karak for wealth, karak for career, karak for guru, karak for spirituality. It is also the karak for husband, for women.
Okay.
Right? For man, the karak for a wife is Venus, but for a woman, the karak is Jupiter. So this karak remains the same for everybody. But Jupiter, when it is well placed in a chart and becomes strong, it gives positive results. But Jupiter also owns certain things. For example, agar Kundali mein Jupiter is 8th lord and 11th lord. So that would mean 11th lord is now Pisces. That would mean Taurus. For Taurus ascendant, Jupiter happens to be the most negative planet. It's a bad planet.
Oh.
जहाँ जहाँ उसकी दृष्टि होती है, it doesn't do the best possible. It's negative. Jupiter owns your liver. So if he's the 6th lord and he's very strong and he's afflicted in some form or the other, then he can cause liver damage. So this is the drawback that Jupiter can cause. Now, हमें सीखना है कि Jupiter क्या है. First, Jupiter owns two signs, right? Sagittarius and Pisces. He's stronger in Sagittarius, but not so strong in Pisces. But generally preferred, he would like to sit in a sign of moon, which is Cancer. So Jupiter strongest in Cancer, then Sagittarius, then Pisces, and then other signs. If you look at a kingdom, the king's advisor is Jupiter. An advisor कौन होता है typically? If you look at the olden movies and time, you never see a very skinny man. You see a big bulky man who's typically bald, who's a little short, who's always on the side of the king, giving advice. Look at the Indian politicians for that matter. Look at Modi and look at his his advisor Amit Shah. I mean, Amit Shah is literally a Jupiter. It is a Jupiter.
Okay.
He's heavy, he's bald, he's a stout body, and he gives quiet advice to the king. Without him, the king doesn't take any critical decisions. And Amit Shah is not liked much by the public because the public is Saturn, who doesn't really care much about him. They care about the king. So this is how you have to analyze the planets, and this is how you should analyze their strength, right? Jupiter is not a fire sign. He's not a water sign. He's an ether sign. So he also represents fat in the body.
Okay.
तो people who have very strong Jupiter, या Jupiter की जब transit आती है ascendant पे, या Jupiter की दृष्टि दिखती है ascendant पे, people put on weight. You've heard of people putting on weight and losing weight, putting on and losing, right?
So we should blame Jupiter.
You can blame Jupiter. Again, हमने show के start में ही कह दिया था, you can blame, but ultimately you're responsible.
Right.
So Jupiter is responsible for weight. Jupiter is responsible for so many things, right? So Jupiter जो है, it represents so many other things in your body. He matures at age 16. He is the planet of wisdom, not intelligence. Wisdom. 16 की age पे people are wise enough to decide, know their identity. Who am I? What is my purpose? And then 18 पे they can vote. But 16 पे typically they know, okay, this is who I am. Now ये जो planet है, it is very weak in the sign of Capricorn.
Okay.
Because Jupiter is a guru whose job is to impart. Capricorn is the sign which is all about yourself. So when the planet that wants to impart knowledge, etc., sits in a sign which is all about yourself, it gets weak.
Okay.
Whenever we see weak Jupiter in a chart, we try to improve it. It is important to improve because Jupiter happens to be the most benefic planet in a chart. The most luckiest planet, even more than Venus, more than your ascendant. It is Jupiter which needs to be made stronger in a chart. Because he can make a big difference going forward in your life. You'll be amazed what Jupiter can do.
Wow, wonderful. You know, when you explain these things, it occurs to me again and again that astrology is so logical. like every situation, why is it happening? And when you are explaining, it's totally understandable.
See, logical hai. Unfortunately, there are astrologers who like to complicate things. If you understand the basics and the fundamentals, it is easier for you to apply them. Think of them as a storybook. Think of them as rules. Apply them, it will make sense. Like Saturn. What is Saturn? Oh, Shani hai. Shani ki puja karo, tel dalo, Saturday. But what is Saturn? Hamara Shani thoda weak karo. But again, what is Saturn? Shani is the karak of your life. Length of life is governed by Saturn. शनि गिव्स यू प्रॉपर्टी, शनि गिव्स यू सक्सेस इन लाइफ. तो ये शनि जो है अगर वीक कर दो तो प्रॉपर्टी नहीं मिलती आपको, लाइफ शॉर्ट हो जाती है. नो प्लैनेट इज बैड, बट सम प्लैनेट्स गिव यू थिंग्स इन अ टफ वे एंड सम प्लैनेट्स गिव इट यू इन एन ईजियर वे. दैट वे सैटर्न इज द प्लैनेट ऑफ जितने साधु संत होते हैं who are sitting in the mountains and they're praying to God, but they don't have an end goal and target. What is God? They don't know what he looks like. They don't know what she looks like. But they still pray because they want some level of achievement in life where they separate their body from this earth, right? That is Saturn. That penance is Saturn. That suffering is Saturn. But it is for a good reason. Saturn is not a bad planet. He's a good planet. He gives you things after he makes you suffer for it. Jupiter, on the other hand, is a planet जो आपको दे देगा without making you suffer. And that can make you over optimistic in life. People who lose money in the stock exchange, very strong Jupiter.
Oh.
Itna strong है that they start gambling.
Okay.
Jupiter also makes people win lotteries and lose all their money because they win the lottery and then gives them ego. I have won the lottery. I know what I'm supposed to do. So keep your ego in check. Keep your Jupiter in check. ये बहुत ही important planet है. We've spoken about Sun, Moon, Mercury. But this planet is different. बहुत बड़ा है. We won't do bada show on it, but we'll definitely talk more about it. Jupiter is the planet of dharam, right action, spirituality. There are so many professions that are linked to Jupiter. There's so many diseases also linked to Jupiter. We'll discuss one at a time as we reach there.
Sure. So we have a caller waiting since the beginning of the show. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah, sure. My date of birth is 29th November 74
Okay.
in Chennai at 2:20 a.m. in India. 2:20 a.m.
Yeah, I'm listening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing okay. All my questions are about the specialty planet Jupiter. I think it's in my sixth house. And it's in Vargotam. It's a Vargotam planet for me, and it's not a benefit for my lagna, or for my ascendant, or for my Rashi.
So you're saying you have a Virgo ascendant, your Jupiter is in the 6th house. It is basically in the
Jupiter is
sign.
in sixth house.
Yes, in the D1 chart, and it
Yeah.
is sitting in the 10th
Correct.
house in the D9 chart. Correct?
Correct.
And you're saying it
Yeah,
is not
but I think
not
it's a Vargotam planet,
correct.
and it is aspecting my Mars and Saturn.
Okay.
The 5th and 9th aspect from where it is sitting, and it is also in Kendra with all other planets.
Correct.
From Jupiter's location, it's also running the Mahadasha right now.
Yes.
It caused my complete, what should I say, downfall or like less fortunate experiences in the last 10 years. I still have about 6 more years.
Okay.
I have learned a lot of life lessons, both the hard way as well as the philosophical way,
Right.
which Jupiter is very famous for. So the question is, I think in the next 6 years, I think they still have this unfavorable Jupiter Dasha.
So let's analyze and understand why, right? First of all,
Okay.
your Jupiter is sitting in the 6th house, but Jupiter owns your 4th house and your 7th house. एक होता है केंद्र अधिपति दोष, right? केंद्र अधिपति दोष में a planet, benefic planet, owning only 2 Kendra houses, which is 4, 7 and 10, will lose its benefic properties. Correct? Lose.
Okay.
So Jupiter has lost its benefic properties in your chart. Now Jupiter happens to sit in the 11th house. तो अपनी दशा में he is going to represent your house, your business, personal life, happiness, and it's take all that and put it in the 6th house, which is house of debt, litigation. I don't know what you've gone through, पता नहीं, but whatever be the case. Now, when you're talking about dasha, you have to understand that Jupiter की जो दशा होती है, right? For you, it started in 2013 and it ends in 2029.
29.
Right.
Yeah.
Now those 23 years that that 13 years, 16 years Jupiter की दशा जो चलती है, first half is going to be focused on the 6th house. The next half is going to be focused on the 7th house. Right now you're running Jupiter Sun dasha. The Jupiter Sun dasha is not that bad for you actually. Because right, it cannot be that bad for you. Because आपका जो sun भी है, he is I agree your sun is debilitated in the Navam's chart, right? But it's not bad. Your sun, how has your year been so far?
I mean, this year, the last 2 or 3 years have been okay, but it's not about Jupiter giving me all the blessed things in life, but it's about me understanding that whatever I got prior to the Jupiter Dasha, like prior to 2013,
Correct.
is what I want back. Is it something that Jupiter will be able to bless that, or should I wait for my Saturn Mahadasha to come in 2039?
Saturn
Which is much
Mahadasha,
more favorable.
see, Saturn Mahadasha will be good for you, but your Saturn is still retrograde, na? Delay to dega.
Yeah.
He's going to give you some delay. I don't know what you've lost. Is it family? Is it money? Is it health? What is it that you've lost? Then we can say, will you get it back? My
Yeah,
person,
everything except health. I think I've lost everything except health.
then I can tell you safely, you will get everything back and more than what you've lost, but slowly. It's going to make you understand and appreciate what you had, what you've lost, and what you'll get. Jupiter Moon Dasha starts in 1 month for you. Good Dasha.
Right.
You'll make gains. Very good. Jupiter Mars Dasha, even better for you. I understand Mars is 8th Lord. I know he is 3rd Lord. Doesn't matter. He's placed in the house of money. And from Jupiter, he's very well positioned. Your Dasha going forward is good. Be a little careful during Jupiter Rahu Dasha, which is 2026. I'm not worried about this. You'll be fine. Saturn is strong, good planet. Also, it is very well placed. So, relax. Give it another month or two. Life is going to start getting better for you. Okay?
Right. One additional little subtlety I wanted to ask.
Sir,
Saturn and Mars.
excuse
While
me,
under
sir,
the
you can
aspect
stick
of
to just
Jupiter?
one question as we have other callers waiting. Apologies for that. You can directly contact Dr. Saket Bhatia if you have more questions. The number to call is 408-639-5300 or you can email him info@saketbhatia.com.
Well, he was asking something about Saturn Mars. Saturn is the planet of stability. It doesn't like to move. Mars is an aggressive planet. Saturn Mars Dasha jab aati hai, I'm not talking Antar Dasha in general. For that individual, it's not going to come till 2041. It will create some ups and downs. Because it's one of those things where I want to do stuff, but I don't want to. I can do it, but I won't do it. Saturn Mars is never good for anybody. जैसे राहु केतु अच्छी नहीं होती, ये भी दशा अच्छी नहीं होती. But at the same time, remember one simple thing. Mars is not an enemy for Saturn. Mars का enemy है Mercury. So when you have Saturn Mars Dasha coming 2041, first of all, they are 5 houses away, dynamic relationship. Saturn is great. Mars will be above average for you. Look at the transits. That's also important. They will add about 33% in what's happening. Okay.
Makes sense. So after that, there was one caller who wanted to take the answer off air. Question उनके बेटे के लिए था.
Okay.
Birth date है September 28th, 2005.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
What was it? September?
28th, 2005. Place is Fremont. Time of birth is 10:20 a.m.
10:20 a.m. Okay.
Yeah. So he is a high schooler getting into college, and she wanted to know about his career success, like how it's going to be in future.
Fremont, Alameda County. September 28, 2005. Born on Wednesday, 10:20 in the morning. So if I look at this particular chart, the individual has Saturn and Moon in the 10th house. तो क्या पूछना है? They want to know what career he's going to do.
How his career path is going to be.
The first time I look at this chart, Venus sits in the ascendant. It's in its own house. जब Venus इतना strong बन गया चार्ट में, and Jupiter साथ में conjunct हो गया, it will make a very content person in life. Navam's chart में Venus is sitting in the house of money. I'm not saying this individual is going to be flaunting rich in money, but खुश रहेगा ये. जो भी लड़का है, he is going to be happy in life.
That's most important.
That's most. Jupiter is slightly weak. That means not the luckiest person around, but at the same time, will get lots of things going for him. I don't see him staying here. I see him moving out.
So I hope the mom is listening.
I
And-
think this child might, there's a very strong chance he might move out. The Dasha starts next year for the child to move out. And Venus Dasha, which is all about him, starts in 2026. And lucky for this kid, the Dasha doesn't end till 2046. And then the House of Gains kicks in 2046. So it's all good. Yes, Sun is not, 11th Lord negative hota hai, but doesn't matter. There are some other things in this chart that should be taken, like the stress. The Moon Saturn, जो stress देता है ना, mental stress during career. This needs to be avoided somehow. The child needs to be a little careful about that, or the mother should actually.
So I hope you got the answer. If you have any more questions, connect कीजिए आप Dr. Saket Bhatia के साथ directly. To all the listeners listening to us right now, the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show is what you are listening on Radio Zindagi. You have a chance to call and ask any question if you have. 510-770-1550, that's our studio line number. You can give us a call. Be ready with the date, time and place of birth. If it's an astrology related question, if it's a numerology related question, then also you can call us. So Dr. Saket Bhatia is live with us in the studio. So did we talk about the Karak for Jupiter?
No, we
I mean,
haven't.
what Jupiter is Karak for?
So Karak is same for everybody. Everybody has the same Karak. Jupiter is Karak for son, and a woman for husband. In everybody's chart, it is the Karak for wealth, spirituality, intelligence, education, astrology also, logic, knowing what is right, what is wrong, good qualities, devotion, worshipping, religion, faith, religious act, doing good deeds in life. This is all Karak. This is Jupiter. So when your Jupiter is strong, he makes all these things strong. Unfortunately, wherever he sits, he is going to hurt that particular house. So if Jupiter sits in the 5th house, he is going to be Karak for children and he's going to hurt your kids. You're going to overdo for your kids. You're going to spoil them, or you're going to pamper them, or you're going to expect more than what they can deliver. ये problem होता है कभी Jupiter के साथ. The expansion factor needs to be controlled. If Jupiter is sitting in the wrong house, for example, 3rd house में बैठ जाता है, it gives you courage and gives you attitude, arrogance, and you tend to have overconfidence in yourself and you make mistakes. So too much of a good thing is also bad.
I am getting that, yes. Too much confidence, too much pampering for kids.
So Jupiter ये इन चीजों का कारक होता है.
Ji. So we have a couple of calls. Can we take quickly?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Yes. I have a question for my son.
Yeah.
You got his name?
Sir,
It's optional.
can you lower the radio volume in the background?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you.
Okay. The name is Manvir, the first name. Manvir.
Okay.
V like Victor. And middle name Michael. Last name Singh, Singh.
Okay.
And the date of birth A is 4/30/93.
4:30. So April 30.
1993.
Okay.
Sacramento, California. 14:59 hours.
14:59.
Yeah.
That's very accurate.
One-
Okay.
Yeah.
1459.
Yeah.
That's very, very accurate. And what is your question?
My question is, he is an emergency doctor and he has issues with his wife, and I want to know. I mean, is he going to marry again? Going to get along with the previous one? Right now, they're like separated, sort of.
They are separated sort of. So when we want to,
Yeah.
when we talk about marriage or we talk about anything, we talk about separation. एक शो पे हमने बात की थी planet separative effects. I remember
Right.
saying when a planet like Sun, Saturn, Lord of the 12th, Rahu Ketu, ये जब एक घर को aspect करते हैं, they cause separation effect. अभी in your Sun's कुंडली, Moon is the 12th Lord. वो डायरेक्टली एस्पेक्ट कर रहा है 7th हाउस को, वहां सैटर्न भी बैठा है, तो टू ऑफ दोस फैक्टर्स आर मेट. मार्स इज नॉट नेसेसरली अ सेपरेटिव प्लैनेट, बट ही इज आल्सो एस्पेक्टिंग, तो सेपरेटिव प्लैनेट का असर तो है. बट इतना याद रखना, whenever you have Saturn in the 12th, in the 7th house, it causes lots of marital problems, but marital problems can be solved.
Mm.
Saturn gives a stable marriage with lots of stress. Your Sun is right now running Moon Dasha. Moon Dasha maybe he is running Moon Dasha, which is transferring into Moon Mars Dasha. Moon Mars Dasha is only going to hamper the marriage more because Moon is a negative planet. He has to either wait, if he wants to come back with his current wife, he has to wait till December of 2027. If he doesn't, my feeling is chances are he's going to meet somebody early part of next year. That might materialize into something. So if I look at your son's Navam's chart, the Lord of marriage is badly placed in the 8th house, which indicates separation. Also Sun and Mars, these two planets are aspecting. Sun Lord of 12th and Sun again. ये अच्छी placement नहीं है. My suggestion is, I always tell people, you want to split with somebody, you need to sit and talk. You need to first resolve your differences and figure out क्या हो गया, what brought us together and why are we trying to split. There's always some resolution somewhere. Okay. So try working on that. All I can say is, you have the choice, but things look at this point of time कि अगर वापस आना है, it's going to take at least another 3 years, 3.5. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you so much for your question. If you have any more questions, आप Dr. Saket Bhatia से contact कर सकते हैं. Listeners, you all can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia for all your astrological and numerological needs. 408-639-5300 Dr. Saket Bhatia का direct number है. Once again, 408-639-5300. You can also write to him info@saketbhatia.com or look through his website for all the information, saketbhatia.com. Dr. Saket Bhatia is live on air with us, and you have a chance to give us a call and ask any question if you have. 510-770-1550 is the studio line number. 510-770-1550. So, when you see somebody's chart and if you see a strong Jupiter, so what would be the recommended profession or career for them?
So Jupiter is definitely a leader in terms of advising someone, right? Now think of people who advise other people. What kind of jobs do they have? Lawyers, judges, auditors, professors, scholars, teachers, people in high positions in the government, saints, sages, share market people who give financial advice, politicians, philosophers, counselors, income tax people, treasury department people, people who lead banks. These are people of authority who give advice to other people, and these are good professions for a strong Jupiter. If Jupiter is placed in Sagittarius, typically you have very good love of nature. Park rangers, they have strong Jupiter. Politicians, हमने पहले ही कहा है, judges, lawyers. In this country, most of the politicians are attorneys or have been attorneys, right?
Yes.
So you look at their charts, most of them have very strong Jupiter, at least aspects boosting the strength of Jupiter. पहले भी कहा है, planet can be weak, but if he's in the company or aspected by his friends, which are good planets, it becomes stronger. बिकॉज ये फंक्शनल बेनिफिक और फंक्शनल मेलेफिक अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. अ बेनिफिक प्लैनेट इज वन विच मेक्स गुड थिंग्स हैपन ईजिली. जुपिटर एंड वीनस, दे मेक थिंग्स हैपन वेरी इजीली. आपको नहीं भी चाहिए तो आपके रास्ते में आते जाते हैं. इफ योर वीनस इज टू स्ट्रांग, you get lots of luxuries in life, you get many partners in life, you get many cars, vehicles, houses. If Jupiter is strong, you can have many kids in life. पैसा आएगा, knowledge आती है. On the other hand, the not so good planets, malefic planets are Mars and Saturn. Mars aggression देता है. Aggression से गुस्सा आता है, गुस्से से चीजें खराब होती है. Saturn makes you worry, overstress, overthink. Disease भी देता है Saturn. So, but he does do some other stuff. You know, for example, if I look at a person who is blind or a leper or something, most of it is Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. That's what causes these diseases. But इस जन्म में वो बन गए, इनके काफी कर्म निकल गए. Next life will be better for them. So Saturn gives. Don't forget that. शनि करता है. Jupiter का एक और अजीब रूल है. If Jupiter is placed in the 12th house in a chart where almost all planets lose their energy except for Venus. Venus obviously gives luxuries. Jupiter in the 12th house makes you very charitable and makes you very skilled at an early age in one form or the other. Could be music, could be arts, entertainment. किसी ना किसी चीज पे आप skillful होगे, लेकिन charity बहुत करोगे.
That's good.
That's good.
कुछ अच्छा.
That's a very good thing.
जी. So we have a caller waiting.
Sure.
Shall we quickly take? Hello, you're on air, Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Doctor. Thanks for a wonderful presentation. I got a question that is kind of contradictory. For example, Quran speaks of sun being very powerful, but in your presentation you are focusing on Jupiter and also as a lord. So how do you explain the difference here?
Difference between what? Sun and Jupiter?
Sun being in the Quran, and the Quran refers to sun as Sirajum Munira,
Okay.
which is an implication that those who follow Quran should borrow the light from the sun.
Absolutely.
So, what's your take on it?
I think all the religions are preaching the same thing. When we started this show and we spoke about sun, the first thing I said is I will talk about sun because he is the most important planet.
Okay.
Without sun, you are dead. There is no life. Sun is your soul. Jupiter is what makes your body going. There's a difference. Soul is in you, soul is in me, soul is in Vedika here. Everybody has a soul. But to get us moving, we need more than just the soul. Na? We need some motivation. We need something in life. And those are Venus and Mercury, etc. But for us to do stuff, to push us forward, to achieve, we need the strong Jupiter, without which we won't be able to do much. So sun is definitely most important, undoubtedly. तो luminary है, and I've said before, when you look at the sun, all the other planets are hidden. You can't see them. Sun is the planet that can make anything, hidden, combust. It doesn't go retrograde. But when it comes to planets, Jupiter is important compared to others, but not as important as Sun.
Thanks for the clarification.
No
I
worries.
might invite you to our forum one of these days.
Absolutely. I'd love to. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for your
sir.
question. So listeners, you're listening to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show every Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. सुनते हैं आप Dr. Saket Bhatia को live on Radio Zindagi. And if you have any questions, if you have any confusions about how and why things are happening in your life and how can you make it better, the best way to connect is by calling, texting or email. 408-639-5300 is the number, or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com.
So you just said something about how do we make things better. Sometimes things are already very good and we have unrealistic expectations. हम ज़्यादा चाहते हैं. See, there's nothing wrong in
That's
making
normal.
things. There's nothing wrong in making things better. Don't get me wrong. It's very nice. But at some point of time, you should ask yourself, why? What do I want to improve and why should I improve this? So there's an individual who's listening to my show. He's an executive with a very big company. Okay, he knows who I'm talking about, and he told me, he said, I'm going to do all these big things, and when I hit this age, I'm going to go into the mountains. I want to become a sadhu. And looking at his chart, he will do it. I know he will do it.
Okay.
And the thing is, he's very, very powerful, very rich, very successful, very intelligent. Why does he want to do it? Because he thinks it's the right thing to do. So life में क्या होता है? जब when we read about astrology also, it tells us you must first, grow up as a child. You must do a job. You must have a family. And when your kids and family have reached a certain age, you must try to move on in life.
वानप्रस्थासन.
Yes, and that is not easy. Easier said than done. बहुत मुश्किल होता है वो.
Detachment is very difficult.
मुश्किल होता है. Even if you detach, you're going to pick up your phone someday and call. How are you guys doing?
Yeah.
Or how am I doing? Is anybody asking about me? तो life में समझो, you have to improve. Life is all about improving, but within a certain limit, right? जो आप improve करोगे, it's at what cost? वो trade off क्या है? वो समझना है आपको. Is it at the cost of your health, your family,
Are you
your
willing
mind?
to pay that?
Yes, because kuch na kuch to you're going to pay. Remember
Absolutely.
that. It's not going to come for free. Nothing ever comes for free in life. Nothing except for your birth. Nothing
सत्य
else.
वचन, बिल्कुल सत्य वचन आपने कहे. So listeners, आप जरूर बात कीजिए डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया के साथ. And when we started the show, and as you must have been listening every week, this is more for your own clarity. This is more focusing on how you can take control of things in your life and how you can make it better, the better we just talked about. So for all that, connect कीजिए आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया के साथ, info@saketbhatia.com. और जब आप ये शो सुनते हैं, and if you listen carefully, it may give you solutions to many of your life problems. And if you don't get it from the show, definitely you'll get it when you will connect with him personally. 408-639-5300 is the number you can call him. So after that, हमने strong Jupiter की बात की. Now let's get to the weak Jupiter. अगर किसी के चार्ट में weak है Jupiter, so then what's the remedy for that?
So remedies are written when astrology was written, right? They said अगर Jupiter weak है तो चीजें slow होंगी life में. Luck is not falling into place at the right time. That doesn't mean आप Jupiter strong करोगे, you're going to win the lottery tomorrow. What it means is चीजें थोड़ी easy हो जाएंगी life में. And these are typical solutions for people who, let's say, don't have kids. Because Jupiter बच्चों का कारक है. I have had so many cases in the last few months of people who have either had miscarriages or lost a child or just can't have children for that matter, So for them, we always say, go back to the old books and see old books क्या कहती हैं. What are the remedies for making a Jupiter strong? So I'm going to read it out. You must donate anything yellow because Jupiter is the yellow planet. What is yellow? Turmeric, brown sugar, yellow flowers, banana. Okay. So these are things you donate. Go on a Thursday evening, donate these. They work. Can I tell you they work? Personal? Yes. They work. They work for me. They have worked for me. They'll work for you. Laddu khana laddu bej do. On a Thursday. It works on the evening. You want, you can wear a yellow sapphire. Whatever suits you. These are remedies to make Jupiter strong. Now the science behind it we can always discuss on a whole show. Ki why yellow? Why that particular frequency where
We should
yellow
do it.
sapphire?
It's very interesting.
करते हैं. We will definitely do one show on just remedies and stuff like that. Jupiter also controls many body parts and diseases. Jupiter controls fat.
Yeah, you said.
Yeah? He also controls liver. So जब हम देखते हैं आपका राहु, let's say it is sitting in the 12th house, which can indicate either drug abuse or staying in foreign land or multiple partners, whatever be the case. And Jupiter जब 6th lord है या 6th lord की energy लेता है and it's afflicted, it can cause diabetes. It can cause kidney, liver, lung problems. This is what Jupiter can do. Overindulgence in something, and it can cause damage. Ailments that Jupiter is known to cause: body pains from fat, like not able to lose weight, cerebral problems, cataract, epilepsy, heavy fevers, spleen problems, enlargement of organs, because ये तो बड़ा planet है, right? So he does those things. So we don't want to make your Jupiter too strong. We want to make sure it is balanced. But definitely अगर कोई भी chart में, whether it is your D1 chart, which is your Rashi chart, D9 chart, which is Navam's chart, or any other chart, अगर Jupiter debilitated हो ना, then we must look at ways to fix it. We must. Otherwise problem देता है. Debilitation के cancellation rules होते हैं. Now it is argumentative if it is cancelling in the D9 in the same way it cancels as D1. उस पे भी बात करेंगे एक दिन.
जी श्योर. फिलहाल let's talk to one of the caller who's waiting.
Oh sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia.
Yes,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm calling for my daughter. Her name is Jessica Singh. And place of birth is Sacramento, California. Time of birth was 1604. And her date of birth is 12/11/94.
1604. And her date of birth is
12/11/94.
December 11th, 1994.
Yes.
And your
I mean,
daughter,
95. I'm sorry. 94. You're right.
daughter है आपकी, make her a year younger, it'll be good for her. But it'll be wrong for
Yeah.
us. So this
Actually, no, it's 12/11/95. I'm sorry.
December 11th, 1995. You're sure about that?
Yes.
At
Wait.
6.
Let me see. She's 28. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
If she's
It's
28,
95. Yeah.
she's 28. Okay. At 4:04 p.m. in California, Sacramento. And what is
yes.
your question?
My overall question is she going to find someone and get married? And career-wise, how's her planets aligning? Or, does she have any obstacles?
That's a lot of questions. Does she have obstacles? How is her
yes.
career aligning? What does she do right now?
She works for the state. She works in equities and like finance.
Okay. So when we see Sun placed in the 10th house, in one of the shows we said working in the government is good. Mercury with Saturn is finance. That's a good thing. I think the key focus here should be, will she find someone?
Yes.
So if we want to find someone, we'll focus on the 7th house, right? By the
Okay.
way, this is she's a Taurus ascendant. For Taurus ascendant, ruling planet is Venus, right? And we'll have to study both the D1 chart and the D9 chart. And the reason being, the D1 is the potential of the planets, and the D9 is what will really transpire. She has Sun. She has Sun, which is sitting in her 7th house. जब Sun 7th house में बैठता है, it is a separative planet. It's the quality she will get in her partner. So definitely leadership ability she gets in her partner. She's running what we call Venus Rahu Dasha. Okay. And when this Venus Rahu Dasha, Rahu is the planet of expansion. I have noticed in my experience, people find partners in Venus Rahu Dasha all the time. Mercury, Mars, the Lord is not well placed in the 8th house, unfortunately. If I look at a D9 chart, it is placed in the marriage house. Mars is not debilitated. Yes, she gets married, and quite frankly, you have to wait another 2 years before she can find someone.
Oh, okay.
Her dasha honestly starts sometime July 2026, and it goes on all the way till March 2029. It's a good thing.
Oh, okay.
She'll meet someone, no problem.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good luck. Let us know
Okay,
when she
thank
gets
you.
married.
Okay. Okay, I will. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So the assumption here is the show's still running, huh? And the assumption
will
is we
be.
have enough topics.
It will be. So we are in lieu of that mithai, we can do that, right?
Yeah, वो तो है नहीं.
That's a enough motivation for us to continue for another 2 years.
Exactly.
So we have around 7 more minutes in this show. So let's cover some Jupiter topic.
Yeah, Jupiter की कौन सी topic cover करनी है आपको? What would you like to talk about? Would you like to talk about?
I like that houses wala, कि if Jupiter is placed in this house, that house. So that is very interesting for me. Can we take that?
Jupiter in how different houses actually very easy, because
Okay.
Jupiter is planet of expansion. So let's understand which house, what the house represents, and then we expand that house.
Okay.
So Jupiter in the first house. First house is you.
You.
When
Me.
Jupiter sits, yes, Vedika. When Jupiter sits in you, what does he do? You signify everything. Wealth, career, happiness, sab बढ़ता है. Jupiter has directional strength. Everything gets stronger. You become a sweet-tongued person. You like your family, love your kids, love your parents, obedient person, good sweet speaker. Everything in life is good for you.
Okay.
Jupiter in first house.
No, nothing excess bad kind
No,
of factor here.
nothing. Everything's on a grand scale.
Oh, wow.
Directional strength मिलती है Jupiter को यहाँ. अच्छा planet है.
Okay.
It's
So
a good-
we want Jupiter to be in first house.
We would like. How to want?
We can hope.
We wish we could pick it up and put it there. But we
It's too
can't.
big. No,
It's
we
too
can't.
big.
We can't. What about
Even-
the second house?
Second house is wealth, values, your speech.
Again, good.
अगर Jupiter यहाँ आ गया, he increases your money, your values. You'll start speaking the truth. You'll start becoming very honest. You start caring for other people, providing for other people. Unfortunately, in a female chart, if Jupiter is placed in the second house, the female passes away before the husband.
Okay.
Okay, because remember the second house is 8 houses from the 7th house. Jupiter कारक है शादी का. वो 8 घर दूर चला गया. It represents death of the husband.
Oh.
So that is one thing you have to get, and this is almost always true, right? Third house क्या है? Your skills, your hobbies, your interest, your friend circle. If Jupiter sits, he expands that. He gives you expansion in friend circle, analytical ability, expansion in hobbies. Arrogance भी देता है because now you're overconfident.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I was about to ask. अभी तक तो
No.
सब अच्छा ही चल रहा है.
नहीं अच्छा चल रहा है, but इसके negative भी हो सकता है. If Jupiter is sitting in the second house, but let's say wealth values, right? So you're rich, you speak well, you're a good talker, sweet talker, but now he's aspected by Ketu, he's aspected by Saturn, and he's aspected by some other bad planet that doesn't like Jupiter.
Mars.
Actually, no, Mars is a friend of Jupiter,
Oh,
and
friend.
Jupiter is a friend. But जब ऐसे planets देखते हैं, then it can get weak. And then he starts getting negative effect. तो लोग झूठ बोलना start करते हैं, लोग चोरी करना start करते हैं.
Oh.
So Jupiter in the second house, negative side effect would be that.
So getting wealth through bad means.
Well, through bad means, cheating people,
Oh.
lying to people, that can happen. So just Jupiter when it's placed doesn't mean you have to see its dignity. Dignity is how happy he is, how sad he is, how far he's sitting from the person whose house it owns, and so on. जब एक planet एक घर में बैठता है, he acts like the lord of that house. And the lord also acts like Jupiter then.
Okay.
Confusing है.
जी.
Fourth house is wealth, mother, happiness. When Jupiter sits there, in a positive way, he's going to make your relation with mother go high. Property अच्छी आती है, education अच्छी आएगी. In general, everything good is going to happen to you. Fifth house में makes you overly intelligent, but at the same time वो कारक है बच्चों का. So he's going to hurt the living thing. Remember, I told you.
Oh yeah. जो non-living things हैं उसमें बढ़ाएगा.
Correct.
And living things को hurt.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली सो कारक जो जुपिटर यहाँ बैठा है 5th हाउस में, ये बच्चों को हर्ट करेगा. कैन कॉज लॉस ऑफ किड्स, कैन कॉज ill health of children, can cause you to be over expecting from your children or pampering your children. But the benefit is Jupiter जब 5th में बैठता है, he aspects your 9th and 1st house and the 11th house. So he gives you significant gains, lots of spirituality, and makes you a very, very good, easy life for you. We want Jupiter to sit in the 5th, 9th or the 1st house. ये अच्छी placements होती है उनके लिए. Jupiter अगर 6th house में चला जाए, 6th house is enemies. You'll have enemies, but you'll win over them if Jupiter is strong. If he's weak, you're going to lose your enemies. You will lose to your enemies. Ill health भी दे सकता है Jupiter यहाँ. Poverty भी दे सकता है if it's in the 6th house. You could lose a ton of money. But Jupiter in the 6th could also give you healing abilities, nursing, police, dentist, doctors. They have strong things. In the 7th house, it gives you a good spouse, good health, general prosperity. It's a good planet, Jupiter यहाँ. It's a welcome planet. Although हमको 7th में कोई planet चाहिए नहीं in general. 8th house में gives you long life, hidden wealth. We just did a show in New York जहाँ किसी को कहा था you'll get hidden wealth, and he said yes, I am getting hidden wealth. I inherited a ton of money. That's Jupiter in the 8th house. 9th house में it makes you good relations with your father, makes you very spiritual. You travel overseas for education. We're running out of time. 10th house में gives you high honors, career में boost देता है, happiness, fame, sense of duty. Now remember 11th house में Jupiter कारक है, but not of a living thing. He's कारक of what he is supposed to give you, which is gains. तो बहुत gains देता है, घर देता है, property देता है. Again, if it's positive, you'll get it on your own. If he's negative, you're going to get it through somebody
Through
else.
somebody.
It also will give you lots of parasites as friends. That's the word I like to use.
Okay.
Yeah, जितने celebrities देखते हो, they have some strong Jupiter influence on the 11th house, which causes them to have this big army of people around them. And 12th तो मैंने पहले ही कह दिया था. They're charitable people.
Yeah.
They like to do stuff. They're skilled at an early
Skilled.
age. It's very good for meditation. Jupiter in the 12th, because दिमाग आपका 12th house, which is the moksha house, it is sitting there. I'd love to talk more. वो next week बात करते हैं.
जी, definitely. So with that, we are at the end of the show. Would you like to wrap it up?
Wrap it up, मतलब काफी बात की, अभी और क्या बात करनी है?
No, you always part with a positive message. That's what I was looking forward to.
देखिए, you are born with certain planets. You're born with a certain placement, but you are you. You can align all of this in a very positive, constructive way. Build on your strengths. Don't focus so much on your weakness. Build on strengths, progress in life. Do good, good things will happen. Wish for good for yourself, wish for good for others. इसी से लाइफ अच्छी चलेगी, इसी से लाइफ अच्छी बनेगी आपकी.
Absolutely. That's what I was talking about. Thank you so much for that. And thank you for being on air. Listeners, सुन रहे थे आप द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो. We'll be back next Tuesday. Don't forget to tune in. Meanwhile, आप contact कर सकते हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से directly by writing to him info@saketbhatia.com or by calling 408-639-5300 or through his website saketbhatia.com. With that, this is RJ Vedika signing off. Stay tuned. RJ Swati will be next in the studio.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZD